When I think of artists like Leonardo da Vinci, Picasso, Van Gogh, Dali, they all span different timelines in the human history and have been known for the collection of art to the world. It just makes me wonder, how many years of hours have been spent on some of the most amazing pieces of art in the world? Like collectively, how many hours have been spent on looking at the Mona Lisa? There is this indescribable feeling underneath these paintings and how it hits all the right notes in the viewer's mind. And that's what makes creating art so fascinating, because unlike taking a photo, it's a painstaking process of immersing yourself in the internal moment and slowly freeze it in your drawing. It's literally a collection of all your thoughts and feelings during the process and how it carries you to the end result. And that all those lines are in search of understanding. They're just trying to figure out their meaning in life, where their place in the world inside your drawing. And we are constantly in pursuit of that eternal moment. It transcends all time, like the greatest art that you've seen. It's that place where the Sphinx from Egypt gazes out into the deserts over millennia. As artists, we really have this passionate feeling deep inside that possesses us. We want to express it outwards into the world and let everyone know. But sometimes it can be super overwhelming when we burden ourselves with excuses like, I really want to start painting, but I don't know how to use acrylics yet. Or, I really want to learn how to start drawing Spider-Man, but I don't know how to draw the body yet. And, today I'm going to be teaching you guys about ways to overcome your bad habits as a growing artist and really take action with your art. I'm sure we've all been there before, right? You've seen a new piece from your favorite artist on Instagram or Pinterest, and then sometimes you fall into a depressive slump because they're so amazing and you have so much to go in comparison to them. Well, first of all, stop comparing yourself with other people, because this does much more damage in the long run, because you gradually feel disdain whenever you feel and see your favorite artist's work. You'll start discouraging yourself much more easily. So real passionate artists learn to see everything as a motivation to do more. So whenever I see an artist posting work, regardless of the level, it's super motivating for me to know that there are just millions and millions of other people out there in the world just in search of their own creative path. And everyone's path is different too, because of the result of how they use their skills and learn through their artistic journey. It should be exciting for you to realize that there's a path for you out there alone that you should take for you to discover. So boom, okay, you are inspired. Maybe you go online and you check out some YouTube videos and you check out your favorite artists on Instagram or Pinterest. Also, inspiring work gives you a dopamine bump. Just like how you get a dopamine rush when someone likes your social media posts or you get a hug from someone. It's very hard, but it's amazing when someone gets that dope of dopamine rush to you. But this becomes the trap of over-inspiration. Yes, you can OD on inspiration. All that dopamine rush you get from these inspiring pieces actually can hinder your effect to even start drawing, because you become so satisfied with the collection of amazing work you have just seen. It's still okay to browse images for inspiration, but just keep it to a minimum and use the rest of your energy into developing work in a full tank of inspiration. It will train your mind into enjoying the process even more in the long run. Same goes for sketching other work for studying and references. Instead of spending a whole day drawing other people's work, break it down into browsing images, draw a page of drawings based on those references, follow up with a drawing of your own mind and creativity. It's these little details that will affect your development as an artist no matter the level. Just be smart with your learning style. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you really enjoyed it, please just hit the subscribe button. I also have a Patreon page where you can help support these videos and my other drawings. If you like my prints, you can also buy one. You can go to my official website at www.artistjourney.org. Thanks a lot and keep drawing.